The headsets may still be there, but the idea behind them, though, is starting to fade. Meta is pulling back from the metaverse after spending close to $80 billion on a vision that never really became part of everyday life. And inside Reality Labs, budgets are reportedly being cut by around 30%. So yes, something is clearly changing, but Mark Zuckerberg is not stepping back. He is actually moving his attention somewhere else. The new focus appears to be much closer to the core of how power works inside a company. Reports suggest Zuckerberg is building a personal AI system designed to help him do parts of the CEO's job more directly, which makes this initiative a little more than a customer service bot. In turn, a tool meant to pull information straight from the source. It retrieves data directly, it cuts through layers of management, and it reduces the need to rely on carefully packaged updates moving up the chain. In practical terms, that means something a CEO might once have spent weeks hearing through meetings, summaries, and internal briefings could now come back almost instantly through a query. So if you sit in middle management, that is a serious signal, because AI is moving closer to the point where organizations are directed, monitored, and run. And this is where the timing matters. Just 6 days ago at GTC, Jensen said every company now needs an open claw strategy. He also launched NemoClaw, NVIDIA's enterprise-grade agent layer designed for business use. A lot of people treated it like another developer product. That misses the larger point. What NVIDIA is really describing is a new layer for how companies organize, work, information, and decision making. And Zuckerberg's reported CEO agent may be one of the clearest early examples of that logic in action. The model here is changing. The system is no longer simply beside the organization. It is actually starting to sit inside the chain of command. A CEO usually does not suffer from a lack of communication. The problem is how that information arrives. It gets filtered, summarized, softened, shaped by whoever is passing it upward. A direct agent changes that. Reports suggest Zuckerberg's system can pull from internal threads, product metrics, and second brain documentation without waiting for the usual chain of interpretation. And inside Meta, employees are already said to be using MyClaw to interact with each other's agents. That matters because it starts to remove one of the oldest bottlenecks in large companies, the movement of information. And when that bottleneck begins to loosen, pressure usually moves elsewhere. It moves into roles built around coordination, synthesis, and internal communication. The traditional chief of staff function begins to look different in that kind of setup. It starts to look more like a system than a person. So for the past 2 years, most of the conversation has been around co-pilots, writing co-pilots, coding co-pilots, useful tools certainly. But what is taking shape now goes much deeper into how organizations function. We are starting to see a digital workforce aimed at informational roles, BizOps, program, management, strategy. Because once a system can model a scenario, retrieve context, compare inputs, and return an answer faster than a support team can assemble a deck, the structure around decision-making begins to shift. And that raises a bigger question for companies everywhere. How long do they continue running decision support the old way when the tools around them have changed so very quickly? And here, of course, is the front page take. The real story here is not whether AI replaces the CEO. It is that the CEO is becoming one of its most powerful users. Zuckerberg appears to be turning Meta into something that can be queried directly. And once the top of the organization begins to work that way, the rest of the structure is unlikely to remain untouched for long. That is where this gets interesting, because this may change how information moves, how decisions are made, and how much room is left for the old layers in between. So the point is this the beginning of a very different corporate structure, or simply a more powerful version of top-down control? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.